tacos, these are the ingredients. I have parsley, black pepper, garlic powder, Himalaya salt, paprika, a beer, tortillas, all-purpose flour, and of course, the star, the tilapia fish. This is everything we need to prepare these delicious and amazing crispy tacos made at home with lots of love. So let's get started. I want to show you the creamy and delicious coleslaw. Of course, this coleslaw, you already have it on my channel, and you could combine it with almost anything. Look at this, the cabbage, the red onion, the carrots, the creamy and delicious dressing, just perfect. Here I have the beer batter that you guys already have on my channel, step by step how to do this delicious batter. And here I have my tilapias. I have tilapias here. I have about 6 of them, and of course, you can add more tilapias or less tilapias, but from every tilapia, I am going to obtain 4 pieces, 4 strips. I want to share with you these delicious tacos. Look at this. These tacos are very easy to prepare. They come out really crispy, really delicious. I know you guys are going to love it. And with this coleslaw right on the top, nice and creamy, your family is really going to enjoy it. Well, here I have about 4 fillets, and like I said, if your family is a little smaller, use less. If your family is a little larger, use more. But they come out really crispy and really delicious. From every fillet, I am going to obtain 4 slices. You don't want to do it extra thin or extra small. This is a perfect size for those delicious and crispy tacos made at home with lots of love. Look at this. The size is perfect. Even the little strips come out amazing. They're not too thick, but yet they're not too thin. They're just perfect for tacos. I have them all nice and sliced here. I have a napkin on the bottom, making sure that all the liquids really get out of the fish, and it's nice and dry. That's exactly how you want your tilapia or any kind of fish you want to use to make those delicious fish tacos. So now that I have everything nice and ready, I want to show you how I am going to batter them. The batter is already done, and like I said, you have step by step how to prepare this beer batter on my channel. Very easy. It takes about 10 minutes to prepare it, and the texture of the beer batter is nice and thick, just almost the same as when you make the pancakes. But look at this. It's dripping, but it's not runny. It's just perfection because it covers the tilapia really good. You don't need to add extra all-purpose flour to your fish. You just add it directly into the beer batter. It's going to come out perfect. I already have a plate here with all my fish fillets. I have the batter, of course, the tortillas, and on this side is where I'm going to add the fish when it's coming out of the oil. The oil is preheated. It's nice and hot. How do you know when your oil is nice and hot? You're going to add a tortilla. If it floats to the top, that means that it is ready. The oil is nice and hot. You don't want to overcrowd the pan with a lot of strips of the tilapia. You just want to add 3 or 4 pieces, no more than that, because you don't want to bring down the temperature of your vegetable oil. Remember, if your oil is not hot, the batter is going to absorb all that extra oil, and that's exactly what you don't want. You want your strips to be really crispy, but yet not soggy, full of oil. That's why the trick for these tacos is that the oil needs to be really hot so that it doesn't absorb too much oil when it's cooking. And once you add them in here, it really doesn't take too long. When they start getting nice and crispy, nice and golden brown, and like I said, don't overcrowd your pan with lots of strips, 3 or 4 max. Look at this. They're getting really nice and crispy, golden brown. It takes just a couple minutes and then you are ready to remove them. If you want to help yourself with the plate and some napkins, perfect. But here I have a rack where I'm going to be laying one by one so the extra oils come out. And of course, I don't want to make a mess, so I have everything handy. I'm really prepared. Every time I make these delicious tacos, I try to have everything on the stove so I don't make a mess. But look at this. They come out really crispy, really golden brown, and you could even see the little specks of the parsley. I am going to continue making some more because my family is already saying at what time are the tacos going to be ready. This is what really takes a little longer time, making each strip, getting them nice and golden brown and nice and crispy. Okay, I am ready to start preparing these delicious tacos made at home with lots of love. I have the crispy here, the crispy fish, and I have my coleslaw. Of course, this coleslaw, you already have it on my channel, step by step how to make it. It comes out amazing and you could use it in many dishes, not only in these delicious tacos. I have my skillet nice and hot. I am adding just a little bit of oil because I want the tortillas to be really soft and flexible. You don't want your tortillas to be hard or crispy. You really want to enjoy this tortilla soft, very soft and pliable. So when you enjoy this taco, you could really enjoy the crispiness of the tilapia fish. And of course, with the coleslaw right on the top, my mouth is already watering. This is what you make at home with lots of love. My friends, I can't take it anymore. I need to taste them. Amazing. Ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this delicious fish taco and the coleslaw, nice and creamy, all those flavors, just amazing. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. This fish taco came out so delicious. And of course, the creamy coleslaw gave in that special touch. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Take care. See you soon. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.